Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the recipe for the Easter egg in Heartopia. So if you go to the planet button and go to the revival hymn event, go to the exchange store and you'll see the food recipe which is for the egg. I'll do this recipe in the second video, but this one you're just going to purchase. It costs 10 of the Spirits Bunny pom-poms. So I'm just going to purchase that and I'm going to learn the content. Okay, and then you're just going to go to the stove and there's the egg recipe and you'll need egg and milk. You'll unlock the egg recipe and then you can also um change the milk ingredients to make other colors. So let's do apple and it will create the orange egg. And then let's do the lettuce. And I think that's going to create the green egg, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, and then we can also switch the milk with the grape. So let's do that. And it's going to make the purple egg. And hold on to those because you will need it to make the recipe that I will show in the next video. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!